Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about WAX coin guys. So once again I'm talking about the WAX coin, and this video is very important for all of you because in this video I'm talking about the reason behind the falls of the WAX coin, why the price of WAX coin decrease, why the price jumps. So guys, before starting this video, I request all of you to please right now click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos about the WAXP coin. Let's begin the start video and let's go ahead guys. First of all guys, if you look the changes update after WAX, so negative 20.88% the price decrease in the last 3 days. That is the last 3 days price chart, and 0.42457. Oh my god, they are going to hit a 1 cent very soon guys. Now other side, if you look the price chart, so you can see here guys, gradually from a 23 August the price of the WAX going negative, and you can see here guys, I'm sorry, just look here guys, in this time gradually slowly the price of WAX start pumps, but there is a temporary pumps guys. You know what, at this time the price falls down, and I hope guys for a long time the price continue this kind of falls. Why? What's the reason behind it? Why the price of WAX falls down guys? Due to last of month. You know what, it is a last of month, and it's a last of month. A lot of coin I found negative due to a lot of short-term investor decide to sell, and the result of that the people selling, so the price becomes low guys. Price changes become negative. That is the reason guys. So please guys, don't take it serious. That is a temporary changes. After a few days the changes will again positive guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like, subscribe now channel for more updates videos.